Hello, my name is Kathleen Lisson. I'm a board certified massage therapist and I'm the author of a new free quick class on using TikTok. So here's my phone and there is the TikTok app. You might not know much about this app yet. It's kind of changing as we're changing now. So basically it's short videos, 15-second, 60-second videos. And just like all the other apps, like Facebook used to be mostly teenagers and college kids, it's currently growing and older generations are also joining, and all kind of different topics. Just like YouTube used to be like cat videos, and now it's topics on every subject imaginable. TikTok is getting wider and broader too. So this is the perfect time for you as a massage therapist to jump on and put your content on TikTok so your clients can find you. So that's the first thing people say, like, isn't TikTok just teenagers? Isn't it just dancing? No. But what's the second one? Is it really worth it for me? Do you get clients? And I will say yes, I had a client yesterday that found me because of my TikTok. And what she said was, she was after surgery, and she said, you know what, you're the first person that's really been open about the fact that after surgery you can have a holistic recovery and you don't just have to rely on traditional medicine. You can use things like massage to help you recover as well. And she's like, I just haven't ever heard that anywhere else. I really loved your honest, fresh approach, and I wanted to come and see you. So she was actually out of the county. She was from more northern than San Diego. And she drove all that way to see me. So this shows to me that it's a great opportunity for us as massage therapists to get on kind of the ground floor of this new social media platform. And just by making these short 15-second video clips, just sharing one tiny tip, and it's the same tip that your clients would ask you a question and you would just instantly answer it off the top of your head. That same content. You don't have to make anything up. You don't have to learn any dances. You don't have to know any, music. This is just going to be a focused niche with the hashtag massage therapist, massage therapy. Just, I would suggest just download the app, if nothing more, and look at those hashtags and look at what the rest of us are doing. Consider joining us and adding your wisdom to this platform so clients can find you, they can book with you. So if you're the kind that is like, great, that's great, I'm gonna download it and figure out myself, like 100% thanks, I'm super awesome that I've inspired you. But if you want just a little bit extra help, I am the author of a free online class, just kind of setting out exactly what I do as a massage therapist and my idea on why I downloaded TikTok, what kind of content I put on there, how I make my content more searchable and more video friendly so people will be able to see it and encouraged to click on it faster. It kind of like takes out the first 10 hours that I spent like trying to figure my way around it, and kind of optimizes it so when you start doing your TikToks, they can be more professional just right from the very first one. So that's what that class is. It's completely free. And it's in my online massage school. So I'll put the link down below. If you're interested in using TikTok as a massage therapist, definitely click on the link below and look through the class and let it get you excited and inspired to use this new social media platform to get more clients. Thank you. Have a good day.